I'm Daisy with Warm Folk, and this is my studio. I have a big work table that is made from the Ikea Calyx shelves with a tabletop secured to the top. This one might be countertop, or maybe my other side is countertop, but nonetheless, very simple solution to having a space where I can work on top and have some storage underneath. I have some of the inserts that Ikea offers. I've got these containers full of fabric. I've got these full of projects that have been pre-cut, and there is a dividing shelf in here, kind of like this guy. I have tried storing my rulers horizontally. I've tried storing them vertically here, and inevitably stuff falls out of them, or I can't seem to reach all the way in the back to get what I need. So I haven't really enjoyed this, and I don't feel like this space is utilized to the extent that it could be. It's kind of some nice real estate, and I would love to put stacks of fabric here. So this past fall, I was spending a lot of time at Ikea because my son plays hockey nearby, and I saw their shoe containers, and I got really excited about the idea of storing my rulers. Oops, you can't see that. Let's turn this way. Storing my rulers in their shoe storage areas. And I love it. This is a piece of furniture that is very streamlined, so it's not at all difficult to walk around. It just kind of disappears against the wall. But my large templates fit super nicely in here. So I know that some people enjoy having those wooden flat things that have a line routed in so you can set your rulers in them, but mine are so big and cumbersome. I mean, that's a 12-inch quarter circle right there. I have other pieces that are equally big. So I can pull them out, I can drop them in, I can shut the door. That is my no hack Ikea hack, I guess. It's just use the furniture as it is.